guys, so welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video I'm going to show you that we are going to Faridabad for few days and I've packed everything. So I know I was not being consistent on YouTube, but I think I will be from now onwards. So yeah, let me show you guys. I have packed everything. So there are, I think, almost 8 luggages we have packed. Like me and my dad, we are going to Faridabad for few days. So let me show you guys. So this is my bag, and also I'm carrying this one handbag, and this is my dad's bag, and these are luggages which we are taking to Faridabad. So yeah,